Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video, we'll be learning about hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are like a secret portal or it can use to go from one page to another or from one website to another. And this is possible by using a special HTML tag called the A tag, which means anchor tag. Now, the interesting thing is linking from one page to another, it's not difficult at all. It is super easy to do. Okay, before doing something on that, let's talk a little bit about how it works. Now, the anchor tag has an attribute called the href, which means hypertext reference. Now, this is what's responsible for navigating from one page to another, or it can even link to within the same page. So the information you're going to put between these double quotes is the destination where you're going to. Maybe you're going to kiddiesjoy.com or you want to go to another website. So this is where you're going to post the information, the link to the particular website. Well, the information here is what we display on your browser. Maybe I want to visit kiddiesjoy.com or something. So this is the information that I'll display on your browser. Well, this information that will be here is the link. So this anchor text, this is called an anchor text. This is what directs us, or this is what points us to our destination, which is the link we're going to put here. So let's say I want to go to Kiddies Joy. I want to visit Kiddies Joy website. So I'll just put the address here, kiddiesjoy.org. I hope I'm correct. So kiddiesjoy.org, and then with that, I'll open in browser and I'll see this. Visit Kiddies Joy. So I want to visit Kiddies Joy. I want to go to Kiddies Joy website. So I'll open this in a new tab. And then, okay, I think that is not the correct website. Let me just get the correct name. That was not the correct name for Kiddies Joy website. All right, so this is the correct link, kiddiesjoy.org. I think that's the same thing I did there. I'll just clear this. All right, so this is the correct link for Kiddies Joy website. So once I go to my browser, I'll just close this and I'll close this as well. So I'll refresh this page and then I'll open it up again. And there we have it. This is our destination, the Kiddies Joy website. So that is how the anchor tag works. It is very easy. This is the anchor text works, the only part that the clickable text that will display on your browser. And this is the link of the website you want to visit or the web page you want to visit, and make sure it is correct. Because if it's not, it's going to display something else. Maybe your file cannot be accessed, just like what happened here. So this is all about hyperlinks in HTML. So in the next video, I'll be talking about images, how to add images on your HTML documents. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next video.